Welcome back, guys. It's Jake and Well here, and today I'm going to be doing a 2.5/3 year update on the plasti-dipped racing stripes I did on my car. So you can look from a distance, they look really good still. And if you get really close, you can see that there's a bunch of bug poop and wax from like trees on it and stuff. And the edges are still pretty clean. Sometimes they get a little bit rough, especially where I messed up, and little chips and stuff. It is very difficult to wash them. Like the dirt will come off, but all the wax you kind of just have to leave. And then top stripes, they still look pretty good too. And here is just after washing. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you liked it or have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. See ya.